Ka Rotary Club Orchid City Shillong kalapan ko Burom ya Reverend Father Makri, Director Donbosco Youth Center, kum uwe na ki riu shampang nakabanta kajing peno baha jang u ban pli ki lat kilanti lengba ki jing hikai ya ki jing pentebet bapher nakabanta ki Samla ban yeng hala ki jong ki kijan da ka jing nang jing tip ban tre kam tre jam. Haka jing elang Pynkup Burom kabalalong ha State Convention Center Shillong uba Paul Lingdo MLA but advisor ka Social Welfare Department ulalong ukong san. Haka jing kran haka ni ka jing elang uba Paul ula ai ka jing ero obat jing Khubor bakerpang ya baro kitu ki balasya Pynkup Burom haka ni kasi.
Honorable Chief Guest, Paul Lingdo MLA advisor to the Government of Meghalaya, my fellow Rotarians, ladies and gentlemen. The Vocational Excellence Award celebrates visionary individuals who do not simply occupy an office but elevate their entire profession into a vehicle for societal transformation. Rotary Club of Orchid City Shillong honors an exceptional administrator, Father Makri, SDB, who serves as the director and rector of the donbosco Youth Center in Makri, Shillong. Under his leadership, the center operates as a crucial educational and recreational hub for affordable skill development, vocational training, and youth animation. The center serves the local youth through skill development, career guidance programs, and music initiatives. Father Makri has modernized the center from a handful of typewriting modules into a massive complex offering over 40 diverse courses. He has tailored the donbosco Youth Center curriculum to bridge the gap between the traditional education and employment. The courses offered at the center includes short-term courses in IoT, that's Internet of Things, digital marketing, sound engineering, TV production, specialized diploma in social media, journalism using mobile phones, stenography, tailoring, embroidery, beautician courses, etc. The center under Father Makri also conduct regular courses in spoken English, communication training, vocal and music lessons. To digitize the center's operation and to make the course listings widely accessible, Father Makri officially launched the donbosco Youth Center website in the year 2025. The center also actively gives equipment like sewing machines to outstanding graduates to promote self-reliance. Donbosco Youth Center also signs corporate partnerships to host campus placement drives for youth, national and international. In addition to the above, Father Makri has also produced local cultural and religious documentaries, including Sajer and Jabara, and as a writer, he has written works too, which include social media in 2016 and Teen Talk in 2020. For his unwavering commitment to ethical executive leadership, professional versatility, and youth empowerment, the Rotary Club of Orchid City Shillong is proud to honor him tonight. I present Father Makri, SDB.